triangle laying on its side, and the lengths are 2, 5, and x. We can figure out x by using the Pythagorean theorem. In this case, that's one leg is 2, there's a right angle. The other leg is 5. The two legs surround the right angle, and across from it is the hypotenuse, which in this case we don't know. So x squared, that's the hypotenuse, equals 2 squared, one leg, plus 5 squared, the other. 5 squared is 25, 2 squared is 4. I knew that because 5 squared, that's 5 times 5, 25. 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4. That equals x squared. Well, 4 plus 25 is 29. So x squared equals 29. We want to know what is x. So we take the square root of both sides. The square root of x squared is just x. The square roots and exponents undo each other. And x equals the square root of 29. Since the square root of 29 is irrational, this is a whole number with some decimal approximation for a square root, we can't write the exact answer. But if they wanted us to write it not as a decimal, we could just stop here and write x equals the square root of 29. If not, we could start estimating by saying, well, 5 times 5 is 25, so the square root of 29 has to be above that, and it's definitely below 6 times 6, because that's, the square root of 29 is definitely below 6, because 6 times 6 is larger than 29. So it's between these two, it's 5 point something. It's going to be much closer, well, a little bit closer to 5, because 25 is closer to 29 than 36 is to 29. So it's going to be less than 5.5. If I had to just guesstimate, next I would try 5.4 and keep going from there.